shirt
and the necklace.
Kindly check out Iyas
And Fort Estado.
Guys, we're here at Hongdae.
Maingay.
Ibang-iba yung feeling ngayon dahil kami lang naglalakad dito na may bata.
Meron naman 3. Pang-apat tayo.
Nightlife, parang pang nightlife.
Gig ganun.
Pero hindi. Talagang iba yung feeling dito, iba yung vibe.
Kasi nga university.
Kasi malapit siya sa university, sa campus, so parang mostly mga students yung mga nandito.
So kami, Tito and Titas of Qatar.
Mostly talaga yung mga nandito is bar, parang inuman, pub, gano'n.
Saka yung may tawag doon, may nagpa-perform.
May mga street performers. So kami naman, after lang naman kami dito is sa mga
pagkain.
Shops, food.
Maghanap kami ng samgyup dito.
By the way, if you like my shirt
and the necklace,
kindly check out Iyas
and Fort Estado
at iba.ph and Fort Estado. They have Facebook and Instagram. We'll copy the link below.
Follow na guys.
Please check it out. Support local. So now we're currently looking for a samgyupsal dito, Korean barbecue for our dinner sa Hongdae. So ang ginawa namin, papasok-pasok kami kung saang streets. Naghahanap kami na medyo, tsaka yung medyo hindi, kasi mostly matao eh, siguro dahil nga gabi.
Yung kanina may nakita tayo, konti lang tao pero baka hindi masarap kasi.
Sobrang konti.
Sobrang konti. Yung lang.
Yung medyo tinatawag.
Sakto. So yung kasama namin tulog pa din kahit maingay yung paligid.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah. Boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Yay, show it. Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
Yeah. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day. Oh yeah, all day.
So dito na pala yung talagang pinaka main shop. I mean main street yung mga shops nandito.
Nakahanap ng samgyup. Nakita natin.
So yun nga, may daming iba't iba yun yung binibenta nila rito. Clothes, jewelries, shops na cosmetics.
Ang mga teens.
Bye-bye, parang nasa street, street market. Guys, we finally found a place where to eat. Medyo hidden siya kasi dun, hindi siya located sa main street. But it's eat all you can samgyupsal and it's there is pork. There is pork. Ayun. So unti-unti din dito sa Korea nagiging pork na rin kami ni Hazel. Kakakain lang kanina, kakain na naman. Though Hindi rin naman kasi kami nagpapahinga, so dire-diretso lang din. Nagugutom lang ulit. So, mula nung naplano nga namin yung Korean trip, parang before pa, hindi kami kumakain ng mga kimchi, yung mga side dishes nila. And then paunti-unti parang natatry na namin. Hanggang nandito na kami, naka second bowl of kimchi na kami. At himala, si Hazel pa ang nag-request. Second bowl of kimchi. Second batch of pork, so total of 8 na, no? 8 slices of pork belly.
Second batch is try na grapes.
Happy? That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you. That's it for Hongdae and Samgyeopsal night here in Seoul, Korea. We'll see you again in the next Korean series.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.